The Power of One Thought is written by which of the following persons? Answer: B.K. Shivani. Which of the following is the longest river of Nepal? Answer: Karnali. The term Silver Revolution is related with? Answer: egg. Which is India's largest brackish water lake? Answer: Chilka Lake. The first Indian who won an individual gold medal in Olympics? Answer: Abhinav Bindra. Shantivana is the resting place of which of the following famous persons? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Which among the following was the main occupation of Paleolithic people? Answer: hunting. Andaman jurisdiction comes under which high court? Answer: Calcutta. Lakshadweep jurisdiction comes under which high court? Answer: Kerala. In which year was NABARD established? Answer: 1982. Satriya is a folk dance of which state? Answer: Assam. The article related to the abolition of untouchability of the Indian Constitution is? Answer: Article 17. In which year the State Reorganization Commission was constituted? Answer: 1953. Which river in India flow through a rift valley? Answer: Narmada River. In which year was the All India Harijan Sangha established? Answer: 1932. Where is the Duncan Pass located? Answer: Andaman and Nicobar. Which of the following does not have an influence over the climate in India? Answer: ocean currents. In the context of their formation, which of the following types of rocks is the most ancient? Answer: igneous. Kaziranga National Park is situated in which state of India? Answer: Assam. What type of unemployment is generally found in the agricultural sector of India? Answer: hidden unemployment. Hampi, the ancient capital of Vijayanagara, is located in which state of India? Answer: Karnataka. Mangal Pandey was a Sipahi at? Answer: 34th Bengal Native Infantry. Who was the viceroy at the time of Quit India movement? Answer: Lord Linlithgow. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution provides for the appointment of a Finance Commission? Answer: Article 280. Who has control over the issue of money from the Consolidated Fund of India? Answer: Parliament. Where is the headquarters of International Labour Organization situated? Answer: Geneva. In which year did the Third Battle of Panipat take place? Answer: 1761. Who among the following was the founder of Bihar Vidyapith? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who among the following formed the group Brothers of India? Answer: Annie Besant. In which year the Union and Railway budgets were merged? Answer: 2017.